Hey guys, this is a 2017 Tesla Model S. Present you from Real Deal Auto. This is a 100D, their biggest battery. This is a clean title, clean Carfax, never damaged, never painted. Trade in at a Hanson dealership we took. Ready to go, has some pretty good tires on it. Black leather seats, all glass roof, all weather floor mats. Supercharged unavailable because we haven't hooked it up to the system. The original owner took it off, so all your cruise and autopilot, your navigation, your autopilot features has the summons, all that. There's your mileage, 105,939, enhanced autopilot. Oh, this does have suspension that you can higher and lower. It's got air suspension. All your different options. No tears. It's pretty good tires. Power lift gate. There is no charger with this. I do have one you can purchase, but it will be an additional cost on the vehicle. Has these are all for the cup holders you can put up in the front. These tires do have some scrapes on them, or the rims do. Dings there. Key. Pretty dang clean Tesla Model S. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.